Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rotate a web page in Microsoft Edge or Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your browser's menu icon, so go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a submenu that gives you access to managing and adding new extensions to your browser. In that submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can find thousands of tools to enhance your browsing experience. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, you'll notice a search bar located at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Web Page Rotator. This extension is specifically designed to help you rotate web pages at different angles, which can be useful for viewing content from different perspectives or for accessibility purposes. After you search, you'll see the Web Page Rotator extension appear in the results. Click on it to open its dedicated page where you can read more about what it does and see user reviews. On this page, you'll find a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button and a confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify that you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will now download and install automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds. Now that the extension is installed, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to any website you'd like to test the rotation feature on. This could be a news site, social media page, or any other web page you frequently visit. Once the page fully loads, look at the top right corner of your browser near the address bar. You'll see an icon that looks like a puzzle piece. This is your extensions icon. Click on it to see all your installed extensions. In the drop-down list that appears, locate Web Page Rotator and click the pin icon next to it. This will keep the extension visible in your toolbar for easy access whenever you need it. Now, simply click on the Web Page Rotator icon that's now pinned to your toolbar. A small menu will appear with a button labeled Rotate. Click on this button and you'll immediately notice that your web page rotates 90 degrees to the right. If you want to rotate it further, just click the Rotate button again, and it will continue rotating in 90-degree increments until you reach your desired orientation. And that's it. You've now successfully installed and used the Web Page Rotator extension to rotate web pages in Chrome or Edge. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.